Artificial intelligence is changing the world. From self-driving cars to life-saving medical diagnoses, its potential seems limitless. But there's a problem. Accessing and utilizing this power is complex and expensive. This limits AI's full potential. We need a solution. Kemit AI Workstation is that solution. It's a revolutionary product. It makes AI accessible to everyone. It's powerful, affordable, and easy to use. Kemit AI Workstation is here to democratize AI. Current AI solutions have significant limitations. They require specialized hardware. This hardware is costly and difficult to maintain. Software setups are complex. Finding and hiring skilled AI professionals is a challenge. These factors create a barrier. Small businesses and individuals are priced out. Large organizations face delays and budget overruns. Kemit AI Workstation breaks down these barriers. It makes AI accessible to all. Kemit AI Workstation is an all-in-one solution. It's powerful and user-friendly. It comes preloaded with cutting-edge AI software. No complicated setup is required. The hardware is optimized for AI tasks. It delivers exceptional performance. It's energy efficient and compact. Kemit AI Workstation is designed for ease of use. It empowers users to focus on results. The AI market is booming. It's projected to reach $1.59 trillion by 2030. Demand for accessible AI solutions is skyrocketing. This presents a massive market opportunity. Kemit AI Workstation is positioned perfectly. It caters to this growing demand. Its affordability and ease of use open new markets. These markets include small businesses, educational institutions, and individual developers. Section 5. Outpacing the competition. Kemit AI Workstation has a clear competitive advantage. It's the only product that combines power, affordability, and user-friendliness in one package. Existing solutions are either too expensive or too complex. Kemit AI's intuitive design sets it apart. It requires no specialized knowledge to operate. This opens up AI to a broader audience. The workstation's superior performance and affordability make it the obvious choice. Section 6. Our path to profitability. Our business model is straightforward and scalable. We generate revenue through hardware sales. We also offer software subscriptions and support services. This multifaceted approach ensures steady revenue streams. We are committed to providing exceptional customer support. We offer comprehensive training materials and online resources. Our goal is to empower our users. We want them to unlock the full potential of Kemit AI Workstation. Section 7. Reaching the right users. Our go-to-market strategy is two-pronged. We are focused on direct sales and strategic partnerships. Our online platform offers a seamless purchasing experience. We are collaborating with key industry players. We are working with technology retailers. We are working with educational institutions. These partnerships will expand our reach. We will bring Kemit AI Workstation to a wider audience. Section 8. Investing in the future. We are seeking $10 million in Series A funding. These funds will be used to scale our production. We will expand our team and accelerate marketing efforts. This investment will enable us to capture a significant market share. We project $50 million in revenue within the next 3 years. We are confident in our ability to achieve these goals. We are building a successful and sustainable business. Section 9. The minds behind the machine. Our team comprises leading AI experts, engineers, and business professionals. We have a shared passion for democratizing AI. We believe in its power to transform industries. Our team's diverse skill set is our greatest asset. We combine technical expertise with business acumen. This allows us to develop a product that is both powerful and marketable. Section 10. Milestones, past and future. We have achieved significant milestones since our inception. We have developed a working prototype. We have secured key partnerships. We have generated significant interest from early adopters. Looking ahead, we are focused on bringing Kemit AI Workstation to market. We plan to launch in the second quarter of 2025. We aim to secure 10,000 pre-orders by the first quarter of 2025. We are confident in our ability to achieve these goals. Section 11. A new era of AI innovation. Kemit AI Workstation is more than just a product, it's a catalyst for innovation. It empowers individuals and organizations. It gives them the tools to unlock the full potential of AI. Our mission is to make AI accessible to all. We believe this will lead to groundbreaking advancements. These advancements will reshape industries and improve lives. Join us on this exciting journey. Be part of the AI revolution.